To have a strong effect on other people.
Presence. Presence. The new police chief has really made his presence felt.
In maths, a mean number is an average number.
Mean. Mean. Their mean age at death was 84.6.
A sudden good idea about what you should do.
Inspiration. Inspiration. I've had an inspiration about Andy's birthday present.
If something does the trick, it solves a problem or has the result you want.
Do. Do. If I've got a headache, a couple of aspirins usually do the trick.
A feeling that someone is still in a place although they are not there or are dead.
Presence. Presence. His daughter's presence seemed to fill the empty bedroom.
To be complete opposites.
Apart. Apart. They are poles apart in their attitudes to religion.
If you are meant to do something, that is what you should do in order to behave correctly.
Mean. Mean. He's not meant to drive anymore.
To give a formal talk to a group of people, often at a university.
Lecture. Lecture. For 10 years, she lectured in law.
Someone who is trying to become a successful actor or politician or writer, etc.
Aspiring. Aspiring. If you are an aspiring artist, you will enjoy the special painting and sketching week they hold 3 times a year.
Shocked and upset.
Shaken. Shaken.
They were not injured in the accident, but they were badly shaken.
To show the best or real qualities of something or someone.
Do. This postcard doesn't do justice to the wonderful scenery.
A case or event or example, etc. that happens only once.
Isolated. This robbery was not an isolated incident.
Used to say that something is not a suitable or practical thing to do.
Do. I couldn't very well tell her while he was there.
A quality that makes people notice and admire you.
Presence. She's only small, but she has real presence.
If something does the job, it is suitable for a particular purpose.
Do. Here, this knife should do the job.
A group of police or soldiers who are watching or controlling a situation.
Presence. A strong police presence.
To accept something that is less good than you would like.
Do. If we can't get a bigger room, we'll have to make do with this.
Used when you want to emphasize that an act or achievement is very difficult.
Mean. Mean. Learning to ski at 60 is no mean feat.
The ability to deal with a difficult situation quickly and effectively.
Presence. Presence. She had the presence of mind to press the alarm.
To intend to behave in a kind way.
Mean. Mean. I know my parents mean well, but I wish they wouldn't interfere.
Not complete and involving only the most obvious things.
Superficial. Superficial.
Superficial knowledge.
When there is not enough of something.
Scarcity. Scarcity. A scarcity of food or affordable housing.
To be so good that someone else admires you and is encouraged by your behavior.
Inspiration. Inspiration. The way she has dealt with her illness is an inspiration to us all.
If something is meant to do something, that is its purpose.
Mean. Mean. The belt is meant to hold you in.
To think carefully about something before you do it, knowing that it is serious.
Lightly. Lightly. It's not a decision that I take lightly.
Good at finding ways to solve problems.
Resourceful. Resourceful. When we didn't have much money, we had to be more resourceful.
Not satisfied with what you are doing now and wanting something new.
restless, restless. After a while in the same relationship, I start to get restless.
Something that is undesirable is not wanted because it is bad or unpleasant.
Undesirable, undesirable. An undesirable influence.
If someone is superficial, they never think about things that are serious or important.
Superficial. Superficial.
He's a very superficial person.